Stangibelisco here, hailing from the planet Jupiter, making a brief visit to planet Earth to observe thunderstorms. And I made this little time lapse of thunderstorms over the Black Hills of South Dakota. Today, May 27th, 2014, Earth time. This is speeded up by a factor of 32. Watch how these storms move and kind of boil and develop. They're probably about 50 miles away, 80 kilometers, over the southern Black Hills. I live in the northern Black Hills. I just think it's interesting to watch how these things evolve. And now that we're done with it, I'll say so long.